Welcome back to Earn IT. So in my last tutorial I reviewed ptcshare.com, which is one of the best sites in my opinion. You can earn a lot from that site. So many people commented that it was a scam. I have a request for them that please first watch my video, use the site, and then if it is a scam then tell me that it is a scam. Many people, without viewing the video, without using the site, directly comment in under my videos that it is a scam and you are a scammer and some everything like that. So I said that the site was giving up to $10 per click, and this is absolutely right, but for that you have to wait if you are earning freely, and if you are investing that you can get up to $10 per click with investment. So everything related to that side I will show you in the next video. In this video I will show you the payment proof from that site. To increase how to increase your earning, that I will discuss in the next video, so stay tuned. So let's head to the site. I have about $8.30335 in my account, and you can see that my total cash out I showed in the last video that it is $3. Now I'm gonna request $5 to Perfect Money. You can see that I have one ad available, so let's view it first. You have nothing to lose in this site. You can see that the ads are of only 5 seconds long, so you are not wasting your time and anything like that, but I will explain the site in the next video. Right now let's head to the withdraw and request the payment, and I will show you the payment proof. So in the balance, scroll down and you can see that I have about $8.30432 in my account, and my earning balance is $7.825, and my Perfect Money balance is $0.47917. So let me transfer my balance from earning balance to Perfect Money. First let me check which processor is deducting less fees, then I will request payment to that processor. So I will request my payment to Payeer. You can see that my earning balance, I have transferred my balance from earning balance to Payeer. I have attached my Payeer account as well, so you can transfer your balance from this form at the right side. Transfer from selected earning balance, enter the amount, then transfer to the processor that you want to use, and enter the date of birth that you attached during the sign up process, then hit the submit button and the amount will be added to your wallet here. So my balance is in Payeer and it is about $7.82515. I'm gonna request $5, so cash out through Payeer. Remember, this video is only about withdraw proof. Next video I will show you all the details about this site. So the Payeer form is here, my account is attached, and you can see that we offer cash out within 24 hours for any cash out of your balance that was earned only via referral commission, viewing ads, or this and this. Cash out of any other part of balance from your account, deposit, or other sources will not qualify for quick cash out and will be completed within 40 days. So in the max you will receive your payment in 14 days. Normally it is in 24 hours, but in certain cases it is in 14 days. So the amount that I have is $7.82 and expected cash out time is up to 1 days. I'm gonna request $5, $5.00, and attaching my date of birth. You can see that fees is $0.17500 and the amount to be sent to your account is $4.82. I will recommend that you use Payeer to request your withdrawals because the fees with Payeer is less. If you request your payment to Perfect Money, you will have to pay a large amount of fees. So $5 fees is 0.175 and amount to be sent is $4.825. You can see below the minimum and maximum. Minimum with Payeer is $1 that you can request, and the maximum is $1,000 per day. With deposit you are getting 4% fees deducted, and with cash out you are getting 3.5% fees deducted. So everything is attached. Now hit the submit button and the form is submitted. So here you can see your paid cash out has been noted. We have sent you a confirmation email that contains verification link. Need to be accepted to decline your withdrawal. Links are only valid for 1 hour. After requesting the cash out, a mail is sent to you in your email address. You have to click on the link in the email address to get to confirm your withdrawal. So this is the cash out ID. Here is the cash out ID, the amount. If you have any errors with the above information or didn't get confirmation email, please cancel this request and submit another form. Allow up to 15 minutes to receive the email. Please note that money will be deducted from your account after you click the confirmation link. So let's check the mail and get the link. So I have received the link and pasting it and go. So the cash out is submitted and you can see my balance is decreased to $3.3042, and perfect money balance decreased, paid balance decreased, and here you can see pending transactions. Cash out is this, pay method $5, and details are here. Status is pending, ID is here, created on this date, transaction type is cash out, method is paid, and gross amount is $5. So after you receive the payment, if you add the payment proof, you will get 200 bonus ad points as a reward. So let's wait for the withdrawal. I will receive it in maximum about 1 day or 14 days depending on the system. So let's wait. So we are back and you can see that I am in my accounts cashier, and you can see my balance is $4.17344, and scroll down you can see the pending transactions, there is none, and completed transactions. So they are saying that the transaction is complete. In the details here you can see created on 1/5/2021 and completed on 1/6/2021. So I received the cash out after almost 24 hours. You can see the net amount is $4.825. So I have received the payment and I have clicked the screenshot of the payment. So you can see here in Payeer amount received is $4.77 and you can see the date of 6/1/2021, and in the comments you can see the amount of 4.77. so I was supposed to get 4.87, but the fees and all the other things deducted, I received $4.77 in my Payeer account. You can see in the comments here, hey, here is your cash out from the ptcshare.com, enjoy. So this is the payment proof. You can see before the cash out I had about 3 point something dollars in my account, and in just 1 or 2 days it is more than $4. So how to increase your earning on this site, I will make the video, and in the next video I will show you how you can increase your earning on this site. So stay tuned and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.